Basic concept of fermentation. Fermentation is a process where microorganisms convert raw materials into valuable products. In lab-scale fermentation, we can precisely control various parameters to ensure optimal production outcomes. What is lab-scale fermentation? Lab-scale fermentation refers to small-scale fermentation experiments conducted in a laboratory environment. Typically performed in vessels of a few liters or smaller, this process aims to optimize techniques and conditions on a smaller scale. It allows us to evaluate microbial growth, metabolite production, and other critical parameters. Key steps in lab fermentation. Lab fermentation is a meticulous process that involves several interconnected steps to achieve optimal results. It begins with the inoculation of microorganisms into the fermentation vessel, where they are introduced into a controlled medium. This medium provides the essential nutrients and conditions required for microbial growth and metabolic activity. Once inoculated, the fermentation vessel is carefully monitored and controlled, including parameters such as temperature, pH, and oxygen levels, to create an ideal environment for the microorganisms. As the fermentation progresses, periodic sampling is performed to track the growth of the microorganisms and the production of desired metabolites. These samples are analyzed to assess various factors such as cell density, nutrient consumption, and product formation. This ongoing monitoring allows researchers to make real-time adjustments to optimize the fermentation process, ensuring that conditions remain favorable throughout. Why perform lab-scale fermentation? Lab-scale fermentation is a crucial part of the development phase. By conducting small-scale experiments, we can validate production processes, identify optimal conditions, and address potential issues before scaling up to larger production. This approach saves time and costs while increasing the likelihood of success. BOC Sciences Fermentation Services. BOC Sciences offers comprehensive fermentation services including lab-scale and large-scale fermentation research. Our expert team is dedicated to providing high-quality fermentation solutions, supporting you through every stage from development to production. Whether you need lab-scale or large-scale fermentation, BOC Sciences can provide efficient solutions. Contact us today to discover how we can support your fermentation research.